Now he has been denied bail. What sort of trajectory is Bangladesh taking? And is there any, if I may use the word, remedial action that can be taken?
Well, I think, thank you for inviting me. I think, first of all, this is very worrisome because there is absolutely no basis for the sedition charges, nor have any basis or evidence been provided by those who have filed the case. It is just a case which was filed by somebody in Chattogram, not by the state or anybody else, and this has been taken as a serious case. Now, we know about the Muslim lawyer who died in the first, when there was the first bail hearing and so on. Even the committee appointed for that purpose, look into it, has now resigned because they say it is too sensitive a matter. So nobody knows about that lawyer. Was he actually the lawyer for Chinmoy Krishna Das, or was he somebody else? That I don't know. Then I think one of the biggest worries in the case of Chinmoy Krishna Das Brahmachari is that nobody is talking about the 8-point demand that he had made to the Bangladesh government in keeping with the constitution of Bangladesh, which provides full rights to all the minorities. And the 8-point demand was a very simple one, asking for a law for the protection of minority, a ministry for the protection of minorities, that all the action and the killings of the minorities that have taken place, there should be identification of the miscreants and punishment and so on. Because we know that the Buddhists and the Christians and the Hindus have all said how many of their people have died, how many of the people have had their property destroyed, their jobs taken away. And we know that Home Affairs Advisor of the Bangladesh government, Jahangir Alam Chaudhary, has clearly said that, we are a Muslim majority country and we don't need to give jobs to the minorities. So they have said that we will have no Hindu join the police force. 1,500 applications from the Hindu community for joining the police force have been rejected. Similarly, they're equally skeptical about Hindus and other minorities joining the government. So I think that you're quite right. The whole nature of the system is sought to be changed, and all the values of the 1971 Liberation War, which were democracy, secularism, nationalism, social justice, enshrined in the Bangladesh constitution, are now sought to be completely overturned. And we have seen in the last few weeks that the two, we had the Pakistan army in 1971 and the Jamaat-e-Islami in Bangladesh, in then East Pakistan, fighting against the people of Bangladesh, and of course India with the joint command with Bangladesh. And today it is the Jamaat-e-Islami which is in charge in Bangladesh. Professor Mohammed Yunus is just a facade. And it is Pakistan which is being given full freedom. Even their military training is going to start. They have sent cargo ships which have been known to have explosives, and Jaish-e-Mohammed have known to come there, and they will come and study now in the universities. So a complete reversal of the back to the pre-1971 situation. And obviously this is a great the point of worry for India's security interests, because the Jaish-e-Mohammed people who came on that cargo ship have now disappeared in Bangladesh. Are they headed for the northeast? Where are they headed? The explosives, a customs officer stopped the explosives, but he was transferred within 2 hours, and the explosives were let into the country. So I think that, we are really worried.